This is a short live demonstration to show you how to use a computer to access a Zoom web conference meeting. As you can see on my screen, this is the invitation that has been given to me for this meeting. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to copy this web link and I paste this into our web browser. This is the meeting invitation link. So what I'm now going to do, here is the web browser. I'm now going to paste that there. So now you can see a security message here asking me whether I'm happy to open this browser here. So what I need to do is to mention something. You can see here it's telling me to download and run Zoom. So two important things here. You really don't need to download and run the Zoom application. To access the meeting, you can actually do everything through the web browser. But you find that some users often want to access more advanced features. They want to do more controls. That's where having the Zoom application on your computer does make sense for some people. So you have a choice here. Do you want to do more advanced things? Do you want to do more controls over your Zoom conferencing? So you download the application. You are the person who doesn't want to do any of this. You just want to access the meeting and then that's it. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to open the browser and move on. So if you come to the meeting before the host opens up, you will see this message telling you that you need to be waiting until the host is ready. So please wait for the host to start this meeting. So this meeting is only going to take place if the host is ready. So what you need to do is you can test the computer audio if you have got the application. If you don't have the application, you can wait until the host is in and you can do your tests. Because some people have managed to install the application, I'm actually just going to press this button. You can say, because I've got the Zoom application, I can now do my tests as I'm waiting for the host. So for the testing the speakers, I'll press the button. And in my headphones, I can hear there's something now working. And I can also test the microphone. Now, because you don't have the software, you don't lose out. So what I'm now going to do to close it, because I know some people don't have this application. So I'll keep waiting until the host is ready. So I'm now going to switch on to the next computer and get this meeting started. Then you'll see something happening, but you never know what's happening with the host because you are completely far away from the host. But because I'm doing this tutorial, I'm actually telling you what goes on. So what I'm now going to do, you have to be patient. I'm now going to start this meeting. And from your end, you'll see something coming on your screen, but you may not know what I'm actually doing as the host. So you can now see a message has now come up telling you that please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. So this really now tells you that somebody has actually walked in the meeting. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to be waiting for my host, but this is now telling you that something really is taking place. So I can really now also test my computer audio. Here, if I press that, that is going to open the application. Do you see now? Those are the advantages of people having the application. But you don't mind. If you really don't have the application, it's fine. You can do your tests coming to the next stage. So if I've got the application, I can do that. It's the same program that really was happening before the host entered. So I'm now going to close this and I'll keep waiting. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go to my section here that allows my participants to come in, and I'm now going to admit you. You'll see something on the screen. Now you can see that is now the screen if you didn't have the application that you would see. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to click on join with computer audio. Please, you really need to do this. If you don't, you would come to a stage that either you can't hear what's going on or they can't hear you. So these kind of things are very important to do with audio settings. So I'm now going to join with computer audio. So what I'm now going to do is, because I've switched off my camera, you don't see me. This screen here is for the application. So if you don't see this screen, don't worry. So what I'm now going to do on my end, I am going to enable your camera as the participant in my conference. And you can now see a message that is coming on your screen asking you that the host has asked you to start your video. So I'm now going to click on start. So you can see I am here. This is me, the participant. This is me, the guest. So because I only have one camera, you can see me here. You only see my name here. But if I had another camera on the other computer, you could see me here. So what's happening here is I just wanted to let you know how you access the meeting as a guest. So what we are now going to do is I'm going to show you that the host is actually somebody who's controlling what's going on in the meeting. So I'm actually going to go to my computer as the host, and I can now even share something with you. So I'm now going to share a presentation that I've got on my screen. You can now see I'm now sharing something with you. So I can now do anything that I would really do 1,000 or a million miles away from you. So I can also now stop sharing this, and to show you, I can also decide to switch off your camera just in case I don't want the participants to show their cameras. So I'm now going to go and switch off your camera. So you can see this application is for Zoom. If you don't see this, it's fine. And I'm now going to say, can you put on your camera again? And I'm giving you some user rights so that you can decide yes or no. And there you are. So what I'm now going to say is, you've now seen how to access a meeting using a computer. The most important thing is you just need the web link. And I'm now going to end the meeting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my screen and I say leave the meeting. But before I finish, I just need to let you know that you decide. Do you need to install the application because you want to do more advanced features, or you are the person who just wants to access the meeting and you go? So you have a choice there. But at the moment, at least I've shown you how to access a meeting using a computer. So I'm now going to end this and you'll see what's coming on your screen. I'm now going to click on end, and there you are. So the meeting has ended. So you can see it tells you the meeting has ended. So really the most important thing to access a Zoom conference using a computer is this web link. As long as you get that web link, that's it. If you decide to download the Zoom application because you want to do more advanced features, you can play around as the host is coming in. But otherwise, if you don't want to download the application, you can wait. When the guest comes in, you can do everything through the web browser. So you now have a chance to go and join a Zoom conference meeting. Good luck.